Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 276. If we start with this column, we're just missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 6 covering these two spots, so our 6 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 1, 6. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 8, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. So our 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 3, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 8 makes this our 5, 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this row, we're just missing a 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 8, 3 here, so 8, 9, 8 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. No help here. 1, 3, 8. 1 here, so 3, 8. So that means the only place the 1 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 9, 2. That 8 makes this our 3, 8, 3. And now we've got a mistake. We've got 3 and 8 here, but we need a 3 or 8 here. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 5, but we've got 4s and 5s there. So we can play out a little bit here. This 1 makes this our 8, 1. And this box needs 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this would be our 9, but also 4 and 5 here. So that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.